Hello everybody, good evening. Myself Akhil this side, and today I am present in one of the most picturesque and green garden of Delhi, which is Lodi Garden. So see the hustle and bustle of this place. Post COVID, this is my first entry, and I'm not surprised that it is still well maintained, because this is the major takeaway from Lodi Garden, that you will always find it beautiful, well maintained by NDMC. And today I got to know that they have made separate cycle track. So people are playing sports enthusiasts are regularly coming here. New couple are coming for pics, and pre-wedding shoots are new normal here. So slowly sun is getting down and moon is rising up. Every corner of this place is blissful. I would like request to everyone to visit Lodi Garden once in a month at least. Very rejuvenating place. Even if crowd is here, you will feel like that this place is empty. चाहे जितना भी crowd हो, पता नहीं चलेगा आपको. Many foreigners are here. Bureaucrats are coming here regularly for walk. See the beautiful buildings constructed in Mughal era. When I came here first time, I saw this dry tree and I realized that this tree is not having life but is still well maintained, and there you can see many birds are sitting early morning. I would like to request those people who are keen to go jungle and those places where they are a very keen observer of greenery, they should come here. Every corner of this place is blissful, and this is the beauty of this place. And nearest metro station is Jor Bagh. And from Jor Bagh, only 3 to 4 minute walking distance. For the young people and those who are old, they can take auto also, but you must have your sanitization bottle, you must have your water bottle, and of course mask. When you come here, you will find many imagination will crop up in your mind simultaneously, spontaneously, without any effort. This is the beauty of this place. And what is more blissful, that you will realize that there are several birds who are continuously chirping. Bring your freebies, bring your badminton, bring your rope if you want to play tug of war. Here you will not find a single interruption, only fun. So friends, with this I would like to conclude. I hope you like my video. Stay tuned, keep watching. I will be taking you so many places which will definitely rejuvenate you. Bye bye, take care, Akhil this side.